Happy New Year. It's Thursday, January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. The sun is in Capricorn and the moon's in Gemini. So we've just finished this whole 31st first with all this earth. We were so grounded. Did you feel it? Like it was kind of crazy to have a holiday and be wild when there were so many planets in Earth. 4 in Capricorn, the moon was in Taurus. We were walking around slowly and really doing the review. And now the moon just entered Gemini. We get to lighten up a little bit. So we have to ask ourselves the question the day after New Year's. How are we doing? Like you got to really be realistic. Look over. Review, we talked about this. Make sure you're at peace with what happened last year. You've got to let go, especially the people that bugged you or really hurt you. Those are the ones you really have to realize they are your teachers, whether you know it or not. And there's this big, giant grand cross in the heavens where there's 4 planets, all 90 degrees from each other. Anyone in astrology knows that means tension. So we've just left the last day, 31st and the 1st, if a baby were born, they'd have that feeling of needing to get up and go, needing to move some energy, because in astrology, whenever there's tension, when things are going wrong, that's when you've got to show up and see who you really are. It's when things are easy and comfortable that we find ourselves lazy. So this is up, get up, January 1st. Here we are, the moon just entered Gemini. Talk. Use the next 2 days, Thursday, Friday, instead of this weekend, to review and talk and use your words about Gemini and Capricorn realistic about what's really going on in your world and what are you going to change. We start off the new year so excited with all these grand ideas, but stick to it. And if you need help, you call me, because often we're left without that inspiration and we think we want to do, but when we really glue it down and nail it because we're in love or because we're committed or because somebody called us on our spiritual purpose. There's a good one. Capricorn, when they call us on our spiritual purpose, that's when we get motivated. So it's Moon in Gemini. I'm talking a lot. It's your turn. Talk to yourself, journal, write the next 3 days. What are my goals? Who do I need to forgive? And how do I make sure I use this amount of earth energy? And Pluto is conjunct the sun. Pluto and the sun are conjunct in Capricorn, only happens once a year, and it makes us feel driven. So go ahead. Be real with yourself. We only have one lifetime, so they say, and even if it's not true, this is the one you're in now, so make it the best you can starting this year, 2015.